right, y'all, I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I know you're probably wondering where have I been, but I'm finally here. I'm finally back, and I'm finally ready to show you what I have been having up my sleeve and what I've been hiding. In the very first clip, when you saw me cutting her cap off, I molded that cap down with my gel, and the gel is very safe. It's very edge and hair friendly. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals. It's infused with vitamin E, so you can be sure that your edges and your skin will be very healthy underneath your wig install. And right now I'm going to do a full-blown tutorial of me showing you how I accomplish my baby hair using my very own product that I have came out with, and it's alcohol free, it's oil free, and I'm going to show you how I achieve these baby hair without it lifting at all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to stay tuned. Share this with a friend, share this with your stylist, share this with someone you know who's aspiring to be a stylist, and make sure you go and cop this leave-in conditioner. It's very good for curly hair, as you can see in this next clip. And this is the 14-inch curly bob wig that I showed on my channel a few months ago with my beauty on the budget video, and it's very affordable, which can be purchased off my website as well. So like I said, stay tuned and watch me work. Baby hair is something that you have to get comfortable with and something that you have to play around with. It's not going to be easy when you first try it, and it's not going to be easy, and it's not going to be as simple as, okay, I'm just going to squiggle my comb around and it's going to come out right. It's all about the wrist work and the wrist action. You also have to be very precise, and don't try to focus on it too much. When you try to focus on it too much, it doesn't come out right. Try to relax and allow your wrist to do the work. I also want to mention that the more foam wrap that you use, the easier it'll be to form and mold the hair down exactly how you want it. Once your client comes from underneath the dryer, it's up to you it's actually up to the client. It's up to the client, and it's what the client wants. If your client wants to have natural baby hair and soft baby hair, you would go ahead and comb them out, and that will give you a softer look. If they want that super perfect to the scalp, to the head baby hair, then you wouldn't worry about combing them out. You would just leave them how they are. The key to success when it comes down to creating these baby hair is using a very small fine-tooth comb. If you don't use a small fine-tooth comb, it's not going to give you the results that you're looking for. Also, The less hair you use, the more natural they will be. The more hair you use, the more unrealistic they'll be. Another thing, the shorter you cut them, the more natural they will appear. The longer you cut them, the more unrealistic they will be. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I know you are. And I know you have been watching my videos for quite some time now. So just go ahead and click the subscribe button. Do yourself a favor and do me a favor as well. I know there are some people who don't really care for baby hair, and that's completely fine. But at the end of the day, it's always about what the client wants. I give the clients what they want, and I do my best to give them good results. Until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you later, alligator.